Hello everyone, I am a tech enthusiast. I have tried many phones, like Chinese phones, American phones, and Korean phones. I have tried the expensive phones from Korea and America and the very affordable phones from Korea and America. I have only tried the affordable Chinese phones, and this one right here, the Redmi 15C, is the affordable phone that I have recently tried. One thing that I want to try is the mid-range devices. I have used plenty of mid-range devices for Samsung, not so much whenever it comes to Apple, because they really don't have any mid-range devices. The only mid-range device that I can think of that I've used recently is the iPhone 17e. I would like to do more mid-range devices reviews and testing. Google has a phone brand and they do have a few mid-range options, even though they're all technically flagships, except the A series is the budget lineup, but it's still pretty darn good in its own right. But I was told that Poco, especially the Poco M series, is the best mid-range devices whenever it comes to the Chinese market. So I have to at least get a Poco mid-range device before I actually get the regular premium Xiaomi phone. Apparently, it's Xiaomi, Poco, and then Redmi. Xiaomi can be bought in Walmart and places like Shein and AliExpress. I don't know if I'll be able to actually use it anywhere that is in the US unless I can use something like Tello or Mint Mobile, but those don't always work. All you have to do is ask AI, and AI will give you the answers. Yes, you can use the Poco M8 on the T-Mobile slash Mint slash Tello networks, and boom. I definitely will have to give it a try now, especially since I can get it pretty darn fast using Amazon. The Redmi 15C is the absolute budget brand on the Redmi series, but apparently the Xiaomi Redmi 15, not the C, but the regular 15, is pretty darn good, so I'll have to give that a try. Even though this whole entire video is about Poco and not Redmi's, I will have to give Chinese phones a chance, and that includes the mid-range, Poco, and the absolute top tier, just Xiaomi brand. Also, speaking about Chinese phones in general, when it comes to their aftermarket, it's pretty darn good. This is a industrial case for the Xiaomi 15C. It looks pretty darn good if you ask me. Is it useful? I'm not 100% sure because, well, you know, I doubt I'm going to take this to a quarry or whatever. But Chinese phones are still possibly good in the US market, but I have to give Poco a try at least before I can give my full evaluation.